Okay, I made it into the hotel. I've been trying to get into this place for a long time because the other one is actually about 5 minutes up the street more, and it's not very nice. But it's what I was introduced to, and it seems to be the go-to. And I've been trying to get into here for several times that I come here, but it's always full. But tonight, the border was dead quiet. By the way, they tried to charge me 100 dong. I mean, it's not big money. It's like less than $5. But unless you're getting a VIP, which you can, I'm not telling you to break the law or anything like that. That they have their own system there. But for about 300 Vietnamese dong, if the crowd is like 2 hours long, you can shorten that to about 20 minutes or so. By taking the VIP. It usually costs around 300 and roughly around there, depending on who you're talking to and how you negotiate. I've been here a while, so I do like to negotiate. So this is the room. This is the room. Let me turn the camera around so we can get a bit of a view. I mean, compared to what I normally get, this was 500 Vietnamese dong. 500k Vietnamese dong, so that's about 16 or $17 roughly. I was expecting to pay probably 25 or so. So we got a good deal. So we'll turn the camera around and you can take a look what $16-17 will get you. And here's the room. Surprisingly clean. Compared to the other hotel I normally stay at, this is surprisingly clean. Look at that floor. Oh my God. It did smell a little bit musty, but it's the rain. Room, I mean, I can live with it. Got an aircon. There's no fan. The other hotel has fans as well as an aircon. But anyway, the aircon is on. So a fridge, if I want to plug it in. Oh, there is a fan. There you go. It's a stand-up fan. So okay, they do have a fan. I'll turn that on later. Surprisingly nice. Yes. Surprisingly nice. Let's have a look at the ceiling, shall we? It's alright. It's actually way better than the place I've been staying for all these years. And like I said, I've been trying to get into this place for quite a while. Well, I don't come here that often, but these days, anyway, I don't come here so often. But yeah, this is half decent. Yes, well. Yeah, it shows its age, but you can see smoking is okay. Okay, VIP. They have dominated this area. They're a gambling outfit. So this is a gambling town. Let's take a look at our menu. All the menus, I'm in Cambodia, and all these menus are in they're in Vietnamese dong, which I love because I got a few bucks of real, but for the most part, yeah, you're gonna pay an exchange rate, but you don't need to really switch your money. This is like an extension of Vietnam. So there you go, a walk well worth it. I'll upload this footage from the journey to my Gmail, my Drive, to the cloud. Clean that up, and tomorrow morning we'll make a bit of a morning of it, shall we? I'll go a little bit later, and we'll hit the street food area around this place. And actually, it's away from the main area, but it does have some kind of cool little street stuff. It depends if they're open, actually. It's getting late now. It's 10 o'clock. You think, oh my God, it's 10 o'clock. It's only the beginning. Welcome to small town Asia. But probably, well, let's see anyway. Let's see. I can't guarantee it. All right, so we'll see in a bit. What time's the door close? Oh, never? Okay. I'm gonna walk around. Okay, so this is the cool spot that I've been looking forward to. That's the spot. They're obviously Vietnamese. So there's some information I'll put that out. They got Telegram and all that. You gotta book ahead. I've tried walking in several times and it doesn't work. They book up really fast, especially when they're busy. So we're doing the walkabout now. We're doing the evening walkabout. Wow, it's really different now. We even got a big market here now. Very cool. Go get some beer. A couple of beers. Wow, very different now. All of this stuff wasn't here 2 years ago. So we'll just grab something. What do you fancy? Some Thai beer there. Yeah, no, it's been a while since I drank. Well, while we're in Cambodia, might as well try Cambodian. Let's try a couple of those. Don't know how much they are. There's no prices. Okay, so that was definitely a Chinese store. I filmed some interaction with him, me speaking Chinese, but it didn't capture it. So anyway, we'll go in there later on the way back. We'll speak some Chinese. There are definitely a lot of Chinese around here. This is why I like it. Because I used to live in China. There's no Japanese around here, but there's lots of Chinese. So that's my old spot there. And this building is brand new. Korean, Chinese, Cambodian. It's a hot pot. I got lucky tonight. I made a new spot. The internet here is really terrible. Very good that the border was empty. Means that there's not a lot going on. I think it's the rain too, stopping people from moving around. We're about to enter the street food area. This place is pretty popular. Oh, the shops have changed. They used to be food shops, I think. Yeah, like sort of different barbecues, different. Now they're oppo shops. So what I'm on the hunt for is some chicken, if it's still here. Oh, check it out. Oh, look at that. Quail, is it? Small bird. I mean, that's the one I spend most of my time at in here, because it's right next to the hotel. it's got hot again. It was dead quiet when we were walking down there before. Now it's got hot again. So I think this is more like an after hours spot where the workers come to chill out. Okay, wind up there at the top. Now look, it's all dead quiet. But on the flip side, you've got a lot of new restaurants opening up. Let's go and check it out. Well, it's all commercial now. Oh, they've done a big sweep, I guess. They've commercialized the entire... I mean, it's progress, I guess, if you want to call it that. This was all sort of street food type restaurants. Now it's just a gigantic supermarket. There's the Red Lantern. It's pretty dead. Let's walk on this side and let's see if we can find something interesting. Yep. Let's just call a spade a spade. Industrialization. Commercialization. Oh, now here's the thing. The food is fresh. They've got pigeons. I don't really want to go past these stores because this is, I think, the only store on the way back to my hotel now. Okay, so let's check it out.
Men lên đông mình mớ này cái bay mớ này bay mớ tiết là top mình.
Okay, so they're cooking up a storm for me. I don't know if it's foreigner price or local price. I'm guessing it's foreigner price. It's alright. It's about $6-7. That's okay. I don't mind when you're paying exuberant amount of money in the West. They're saying now that like people can't even afford McDonald's now in the West. You know, I'm still getting chicken and fries for $1, maybe $1.50, depending on how big you get. But yeah, McDonald's losing numbers, big restaurants losing numbers. Value, people have lost the whole concept of value now. Yeah, not too bad. It's almost the equivalent of a at least half a chicken, which I would pay the same in Vietnam. So it's not bad. It's about the same price. Not bad. Anyway, let's just call a spade, and that's what it is. Modernization, and I guess all the business has gone down that way. And it's slowly seeping up into this area and becoming commercialized. And I'm guessing the main target customer is Chinese, because this is rather a Chinese area. But it's good to still take VND. So you can ask for Vietnamese dong, and then they'll give you change in Vietnamese dong, or you can ask for change in Rieng. They do the translation. Doesn't really matter. They even take USD. Doesn't, you can use all three of them. Doesn't really matter. So anyway, all right, I'm gonna hit the street. Talk to you later.